Hi everyone, Ken from Quality Sewing and Vacuum. I just wanted to talk to you about some new Nellie products that we brought in. If you've been to our stores before, you know we have the Nellie mop and Nellie products in our store, but we actually brought in some more of their products. If you're not familiar with Nellie, it's a Canadian company that's been around for a long time that makes cleaning products. So some of my favorites that they have here that we brought in is we have their Wrinkle Be Gone, which is a great little portable spray bottle you can take with you. You're driving in your car, you get out and your suit jacket's a little bit wrinkled or something like that, or your shirt, you can spray that and just kind of pull it down and it will take wrinkles out. It's also a static guard. They also carry great cleaning products like their OxyBrite and their laundry detergent. And yes, this laundry detergent is safe in also all laundry machines. They have toilet bowl cleaner, all-purpose cleaner, and if you notice, they really do a great job with their product marketing by using tins, and these are reusable tins. You can keep this around for years and years so it doesn't end up in the landfill once you're done with it. One of the other really popular products is their dryer balls. These are great. These take the place of those little paper things you throw in your dryer, little cloth things to try to get the static out of your clothing. This is a natural product, wool, that will actually help keep your clothes from getting all wrinkled and all the static. And what's really cool about this cute little design of the little dryer there, but it's a piggy bank. So when you're all done, as you're taking money out of your dryer that fell out of your pants pocket, you can put it right in the top there and it's a piggy bank, and that will pay for itself over time. One of the newest products that they came out with, which is actually made here in America, and everyone needs one of these in their bathroom. This is their toilet spray. So you spray before you go, and then there's no odor. Isn't that amazing? And this is lemongrass. It is a great little fragrance. So come on into one of our stores. We have 11 locations and take a look at all the great Nellie products we have. Hope to see you soon.